Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix broken registry items in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to power on your system unit and wait patiently while Windows 11 boots up completely. It's important to let everything load fully before proceeding, as this ensures all system processes are running properly and ready for the commands we'll be executing. Give it a moment until you see your desktop and everything has settled. Once your PC is fully loaded and ready to go, we can begin fixing those broken registry items. Direct your attention to the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Windows Start menu icon. Click on it to open the Start menu. This is your gateway to accessing the command prompt, which is the tool we'll be using to repair the registry. Now, in the search bar that appears, type in CMD. This will bring up the command prompt application in your search results. Here's the important part. You'll see the command prompt option appear, and beneath it, you'll notice a Run as Admin option on the right side. Click on Run as Admin rather than just opening the regular command prompt. Running it as an administrator is crucial because registry repairs require elevated permissions that a standard user account doesn't have. This ensures the commands can actually make the necessary system changes. After clicking Run as Admin, a Microsoft command prompt window will open on your screen. This is where we'll execute the commands that will scan and repair your broken registry items. I'll be showing you two specific command lines that you need to run in the command prompt to fix your registry. These commands are designed to scan your system files and repair any corrupted or broken registry entries that might be causing issues with your Windows installation. You can pause the video at any time to carefully copy each command correctly. Accuracy is important here, so take your time to ensure you've entered everything exactly as shown. Once you've typed in the first command line, simply press Enter on your keyboard to run it. The system will begin processing the command and working through your registry files. You'll need to repeat this process for the second command as well. And that's it. Running these command lines through the administrator command prompt fixes your broken registry items in Windows 11, helping restore system stability and resolve any issues caused by corrupted registry entries. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.